Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make apple pie in the oven. First, let's prepare our pie crust. Combine 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of salt. Cut in 1 cup of very cold, unsalted butter until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs, about the size of small peas. Gradually add 6 to 8 tablespoons of ice water, mixing until the dough just comes together. Divide the dough in half, flatten into discs, and chill for at least 30 minutes. Next, let's prepare the delicious apple filling. You'll need 6 to 8 medium baking apples, such as Granny Smith or Honeycrisp, peeled, cored, and sliced about 1/4 inch thick. In a large bowl, gently toss the apple slices with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and a tiny pinch of ground cloves. This mixture ensures a perfectly spiced and thickened filling. Now it's time to assemble your pie. Roll out 1 chilled dough disc into a 12-inch circle and carefully place it into a 9-inch pie plate. Pour in your apple filling, mounding it slightly. Dot with 2 tablespoons of butter. Roll out the second dough disc for the top crust, place it over the apples, and crimp the edges. Cut several steam vents. Bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Then reduce to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 55 minutes, until golden. After baking, the hardest part is waiting. Let your apple pie cool on a wire rack for at least 3 hours before slicing. This allows the filling to set properly, preventing a runny mess. Serve your warm, fragrant pie with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dollop of fresh whipped cream for an extra special treat. For more great deals and the link to those amazing socks, check the description below. Enjoy your homemade apple pie.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.